Hey, and welcome to the channel. I wanted to say thank you for taking time out to watch this video. As you know, this is a channel that I have created to help inspire junior developers, those who are aspiring to break into the industry, and to also to create some content that senior developers like myself can just glean from and just learn something new and possibly help them with some tips that could help them in their career. So it's really for all those who are doing anything with software development. Today I'm going to talk to you about some tools that I use on a regular basis as a software developer, and they're not in any particular order, but these are tools that I think will be very beneficial to you. At some point in your career, you can use them. I believe that they will be something that you will see that will save you time, allow you to be able to be more productive, and will allow you to be able to really just work more efficiently. So the first tool I'm going to talk about is I use VS Code. Now, VS Code is a very, very lightweight text editor. And what's really, really good about it, it has so many different extensions that you can utilize. You can write code in various languages using this editor. It's really, really good. There are some other editors out there that you can use, such as like Sublime Text. That's another really good one. There's a lot of different ones that you can use, but this is a really, really good text editor that I like to use, and I use it on a regular basis. It has FTP functionality. It has the ability to allow you to use source control. You can even access databases and things of that nature with it. I know you for a fact that you can do PHP development, you can do Python development, you can do C#. There's just so much that you can do with this tool. So that's something that I would definitely encourage you to check out. And the good thing about it is free. It's really free. It's free and it's powerful. You can't go wrong with free and powerful tools. So I definitely want to encourage you to check it out if you have not. Like I said, it's not the only editor that you can use, but it's a really, really good one. The next tool that I use on a regular basis is Notepad++. All right, so you have regular Notepad that comes with standard on a Windows box, and then you have other, depending on what operating system that you have, they have standard text document applications that you can use just to take basic notes. But what I really, really like about Notepad++ is that it has plugins, and these plugins allow you to do so many different things that makes the text editor really, really powerful, and one thing I can say is that I really, really like about it is that it has this feature in it where you can just select text within your document of the Notepad based off of columns. That's really, really great. And you can also create macros and things of that nature. So Notepad++, if you have not ever utilized it, I really, really encourage you to download it. It is also free, open source. You can download it, you can look at it, and I'm telling you, it's very, very beneficial, and it will, at some point in your life, come in very, very handy, and I'm pretty sure that you will begin to use it on a very regular basis. Another tool that I want to talk to you about is Beyond Compare. Beyond Compare is essential, especially if you are working in development, because at some point you are going to have to review changes from that you've been working in code far as maybe, pushing up changes to a development server to a production server. You want to see what changes you made, and it makes it very easy to be able to see the differences between the two code bases that you're looking at. It's also good if you just want to look and see difference between two files or folder structures. It's really, really good. Beyond Compare is really a really good tool. So I definitely encourage you to look at that. I know there's some other ones out there that you can take advantage of, but it's really good. The next thing I want to talk about is some aspect of source control. You have DevOps with Azure. That allows you to be able to have source control. Source control is very important, as you know, because it allows you to maintain your source code as you're working different changes, you're working through bugs, different iterations. You can roll back changes, things of that nature. Source control is very important. You have many options. You have Git, and what I primarily use is TFS. So I want to let you know, look, if you are not using source control, please, it's going to be very beneficial that you begin to use source control. Now, I've worked in shops where they really did not utilize source control. They did more so of just having like a folder, make backups, and zip up the current build was in production before they pushed up changes, stuff like that. You can do that as well, but you're really limiting yourself on what you can do if you're not really utilizing source control, a source control system such as Git or TFS. So I definitely want to encourage you to do that. And so those are some of the tools that I use on a regular basis as a software developer. And I'm pretty sure that you have other tools as well that you use. So I would really love to hear some of the tools that you use on a daily basis. I work more so in a Windows environment. I would really like to hear some of the tools that developers use within a Mac environment or a more Linux system. I would love to hear some of the tools that you use, whatnot. But I just wanted to share some tools with you that I think that you could utilize starting today. And I would love to hear, like I said before, some of the tools that you use that maybe be beneficial to me and some other people on the channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to please like and share. Subscribe to the channel. I would really would appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to talking to you again. Take care. God bless.